Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Julia. In today's video we are going to be making Cloves water for hair growth. The benefit of Cloves water: it protects against scalp infections, it prevents hair loss and promotes hair growth. It also helps fight lice and dandruff problems. So guys, if you find this video helpful, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, thumbs up my video. As you do so, God bless you. So guys, I will be soaking it overnight with warm water. So I will be doing a video how I use this Cloves water on my natural hair.